This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Aaronetta Stewart. Beautiful move-in ready home with 3 bedrooms and 3.5 baths. TRI level unit with a large flex room on the bottom level that looks out to green space. Great open floor plan on the main floor with a nice kitchen overlooking the DN. All appliances including the washer and dryer. All appliances work great but come as is. LVP floors throughout the second level. Don't miss this home. For more information, review the details below.